He's okay.
He's okay.
No. No. I'm gonna lick you. Better stop.
Breaking news, Black Beast gets hammered from behind. This is my man Derrick Lewis right here. I heard you were gonna come out with some new like air-conditioned briefs because your balls.
My balls is hot.
Yeah. That makes sense. So if we get to 1 million, you're gonna give away your shorts from the one fight?
No, I give them away them shorts right now. You can have my underwear right now too if you want.
Now.
I saw them.
Oh, that's what I was saying. All right, man. So we're gonna do some work on him today, do some adjustments. We're gonna get his neck feeling looser, low back as well. You a little bit scared or no?
Of course I'm scared.
Yeah, it's just your spine, right? No big deal. And then we'll see what we got later.
Yeah, for sure. I'm not really used to a grown man putting their hands on me like feminine like that.
Yeah, as you have a little bit feminine hands.
I heard that you got real soft hands, so.
Very soft. I put lotion on them all day, so they're buttery soft. And we're going to do a little hammering from behind too, so I don't know how much Derrick's gonna like that.
Nah.
Just in case you guys are wondering, he's okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. So that means you're gonna break my neck and you're still gonna be like, oh, he's okay.
There's a good spot.
Oh, damn.
I apologize for my feminine hands.
Ah, it's a trick.
Look back up and look down.
It's supposed to be hurting right here when you do that?
In your soul?
No, on the side of my nose.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's what we call cervicogenic referral pain. It hijacks the trigeminal nucleus and the nucleus accumbens.
I don't know what you talking about. I don't understand none of that.
Sounds big walla guala.
Nah, sound like a lot of science.
You do a fake sneeze.
Not you.
I just made that last part up.
Oh.
Let's raise that right arm again. Get another lighter.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
There's no resistance. You know?
Yeah, that looks lighter. What about that one? Found one.
Man. He do this to you?
Yeah.
Goodness.
It's painful.
Yeah, that's where 84 million of 145 million views come from.
From you?
Yeah. All my boys over there in Indonesia and India are like, woo!
Oh my goodness. I think you just making up stuff now. You look for my booty hole, you in the wrong spot.
There's a good spot.
My nose clean, man. Y'all look.
Yeah,
No?
yeah. It's pretty clean.
He's okay.
He's okay. There you go. Breaking news, Black Beast gets hammered from behind.
Actually, that title's already taken on Pornhub.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You looked into it?
Yeah.
Makes sense,
Look
man.
up all the black beasts.
We all have our things, my friend. I don't judge you. Is that a little sore, like right there? Or a little lower?
What do you mean?
No.
No, you need to get from over there.
Not sore? What do you mean?
It's not sore at all. It haven't been tampered with. A little Shorman toilet paper, that's about it.
That's great. There you go.
No. No.
Woosah, woosah, woosah.
That shit don't work.
Ponga su mano aquí en su cadera.
See.
Sí. Put your hand in here. There we go. There you go. Alright. A little more.
God damn. That's good.
Good enough?
For sure, I'm asleep tonight. Yeah. You're doing all this and that, and you can't even take a hit? You're doing all that to me? Now, come on.
Alright.